The first Filipina mayor in England has passed away. Cynthia Alcantara-Barker was 58. Her death was confirmed by her brother. Alcantara-Barker was elected as mayor of Hertfordshire District in Hertfordshire, England on June 2020. She also served as deputy mayor in 2019 and had been a town and borough councillor since 2015. The Department of Foreign Affairs has sent its condolences to her family. Alcantara-Barker was born and raised in San Pablo City, Laguna. After graduating from industrial engineering in Adamson University, she moved to the United Kingdom with her siblings to be with her OFW mother.
Thank you for watching Politica TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.